Natural farming represents a critical shift from the chemical-intensive green revolution model, serving as a pillar for ecological stability and rural economic viability in India. Defined as a chemical-free traditional farming method grounded in agroecology, natural farming intentionally avoids synthetic chemical inputs and integrates crops, trees, and livestock. This approach is promoted nationally through the Bharatiya Prakritik Krishi Paddhati (BPKP) under the Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana (PKVY). Natural farming significantly promotes sustainable agriculture by addressing environmental degradation exacerbated by chemical usage. It acts as a form of regenerative agriculture, focusing on restoring soil vitality by improving soil biology and enhancing soil organic carbon, thereby fighting land degradation. The adoption of mulching and diverse cropping promotes judicious water usage, helping to optimize crop per drop and conserve soil moisture. Furthermore, natural farming helps mitigate greenhouse gas emissions and fosters resilience to crops against unpredictable weather extremities like severe floods and droughts. In improving farmer livelihoods, natural farming is pivotal in drastically reducing the monetary burden on smallholder farmers. It minimizes the cost of production as essential inputs, such as Jivamrit and Bijamrit, are prepared on farm using locally available resources like cow dung and urine. This cost efficiency directly increases net incomes. Natural farming also generates employment opportunities through local input enterprises and value addition. Crucially, by eliminating synthetic chemicals, natural farming ensures better health benefits for farmers and provides food with higher nutrition density. However, mainstreaming NF at a large scale requires careful, location-specific implementation due to concerns over yields, particularly for staple cereals like rice and wheat.